Hey, how's it going? Back again. This time doing an unboxing. This is Givenchy's Homme. Never smelled this. They do have a blue and a silver one, but this is the original. So I'm pretty excited to get my nose on this. I have seen a few reviews, not too many, and overall I think decently, rated, or there's decent feedback on them. But it sounded like it was right up my alley as far as kind of like a classic men's fragrance. I think barbershoppy or fougere is supposed to be. So I forgot the notes, and I don't really have any background. Again, it's first impressions. Haven't opened the box. So now this guy I have smelled once before in the store, but don't really remember too much of it. I think it had a little bit of spiciness in the open, and again, there are a few reviews on this guy. I think more on this one than this one. But I have the original Xeyrus, which I really like. It's got this super bright, fresh citrus opening, very, very strong and unique, especially for this time. Blue freshies are in. But anyway, so let's get to it. So, again, I like picking fragrances that are less reviewed than others. To me, just more interesting, I guess. Something off the beaten path. But nice red bottle. And let's grab a tester. So, nothing fancy. This one does have some dust on it, or some kind of film on that plastic cap. Cheapy plastic on this guy. Yep, it's 100 ml. So anyway, let's go show you the sprayer. Decent sprayer, nothing crazy. Yep. Tiny bit of sweetness on the top. Kind of woodiness. Maybe pine. But it definitely has your barbershop feel. Fresh shaved. A little bit. Yeah. Woody, piney, fresh lavender. Little bit of sweetness, but nothing overwhelming. Definitely a 90s fragrance, in my opinion. Kind of gives you that 90s vibe. Clean, safe, office scent. Classic masculine. So I'm curious as to how this will play out on skin. See how it'll dry down too. But overall, pleased. I think that's how. I can't remember what it smelled like in the store, but I remember liking it, and I remember telling myself that I wanted to pick up a bottle, and so here it is. So far so good. Nothing groundbreaking in my opinion, but also nothing to complain about. It's 40 bucks, or actually it was $36 on our fragrances. But this one I've never smelled, so I have no clue what to expect, other than, like I said, the few reviews that are out there. So it's kind of a cool bottle, like this burgundy maroon color. Not quite purple, which is my favorite color. But make sure. Yeah, this one's clean. Alright, so this one's pretty neat. There's no cap to it. This is plastic, and it's got a little plastic depressor here. Sprayers there. Glass on the bottom. Batch code is etched in. I don't know if you can see that or not. Probably not. The camera's not that good, but it's not super important anyway. This one's got a sticker on the bottom, so little difference there. They both are Givenchy, both 100 ml, both made in France, Paris. So go. This sprayer sucks. Huh. Okay. This one, to me, goes a little bit more. They got an aquatic. I don't think it's supposed to be aquatic, but you know what? I'm just going to spray one on each hand. So we'll go this one here. A lot of some alcohol on the top for sure. But it's softened out. Burned off. Definitely getting also a woody fragrance. This one kind of pulls, it's reminding me of Bulgari's Aqua Homme, or the original, the green silver, or the green little pebble bottle. Not as marine and salty, but similar woods to it. I like it. Let's see. The sprayer is way better on this one. Like a freaking laser. Again, alcohol on this one. Warmer, spicier on the skin than it was on the tester strip. This, it's a little bit sweeter also. This one already opening burn down. I feel there's a little bit more floral and like a sandalwood maybe aspect coming through here. Definitely creamier, softened up. That alcohol settled down. Maybe it was a citrus, I don't know. But it was pretty sharp, pungent. Definitely took a different direction after the first, what was that, 30 seconds to a minute. And this one is definitely getting more spicier, a little bit sweeter, a little bit, you know, the red bottle fits in well. Like, there's kind of like this warmth to it. This one, okay, you know, I was saying it kind of reminded me on the open, that sharp kind of marine note from Bulgari. This went into a way different direction and is now going into, like I said, like kind of that creamy sandalwood territory. Maybe some white florals are coming through. And this one's pretty much stayed the same so far. Maybe a little bit grassiness to it, some green, but the warmth and sweetness is more so than on the tester strip. But overall, you know, I can't say either one of these are bad fragrance. I can do a full review after I get some testing done, but that'll take a while. So let me know if you've tried either one of these, right? Or if you're interested in them, you know. Again, this is a house that I think is not talked about too much, and the ones that are not typically these. But let me know what your experiences are. Like, comment, and subscribe. As always, thanks for checking this out, and continue watching me. Thanks.